Mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode, okay? After that, you're walking, you can see me, and at this point stop and look back. Then you continue your movement, then you get to that angle there, then you turn back and walk back again, okay? Turn back and walk back. After that, walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace, import it, then click it. Click it now, gotta look for volume, okay? Locate volume, click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on that good and go back. At this point, locate where you want the video to start from. Click on the video, make a split, delete this first part, we don't need it again. Then you click on this one now, go and look for duplicate. We want to duplicate the video, guys. Look for duplicate, okay? Click on duplicate, okay? Then you go and look for overlay. Look for overlay, add overlay, okay? So at this point, you want to adjust front. Look at this place, this place. At this point now, you click on the video. You want to make another split, okay? Click it, make a split. Click on this one, delete it, we don't need it again. Then you click this one and adjust it, okay? At this point, leave it here. Click it now, click it again, go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, click on auto remover, allow it to remove completely, exercise patience, okay? Allow it to remove completely. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back, okay? So at this point now, look at this place. You drag it and confront to this point, okay? So at this point, let's see how it look like as you drag it front. So at this point, you click on overlay video, the second layer, then you adjust the second character. You adjust it, make it align, make it to match with this very first one. Make the character to align, to rhyme together. Then after that, take time to do your own so that it will look professional. After that, let's play the video and see what we have got, okay? Good, you can see it now. You can see it now. At this point, this video is ready. The only thing now is for us to make a split and remove the unwanted part. So at this point, click on the video, this point here now, click on the video and make a split. Click on the second one, make a split, delete this one, click on the other one and delete it. So at this point, I feel and I think that this video is ready, okay? What will be remaining in this video now is to add your light effect, your sound effect, your colors, as the case may be. And after that, you will export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to do that, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. At the description of this video, my number is there, okay? Just go and DM me so that I'll put you through on how to add your effects, and after that you can now export your video. But there is another thing you want to know about this video. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. The reason being that you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. But never mind, don't worry, we have got you covered on that as well. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch it, then you come back and know how you can export this your video for free with ease without any finding editing difficult, okay? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? Thanks for watching. Thank you. Stay safe.